this video, we will discuss the main menu details. This is the Aqua Alert homepage. The icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen is known as the main menu. Click on the top left main menu to see your equipment list, your equipment management, your personal account settings, and about Canature. The equipment list is used to add or remove water treatment equipment enabled with Aqua Alert. For this case, it shows that a softener is on the list. If you wish to manage your equipment, you can click on Equipment Management and this screen appears. You can then touch the word softener and this screen will appear. If you wish to remove this equipment from your Aqua Alert app, you can press Delete. But for this case, we wish to keep the softener as part of the Aqua Alert app. If you wish to rename this piece of equipment, you may press the word softener and this pop-up will appear. You can then type in any other description that you may like and then press the word confirm. But for this case, we want to leave it as softener, so we'll back out. If you wish to change any of your personal account settings, this can be used to update your username, password, or email address. Simply press Personal Account Setting and it'll take you to this screen. If you wish to change the password, you can do so by tapping Password and it'll take you to a screen where you can re-enter a new password. But for this case, we like the password and so we're going to back out. When you click on About Canature, it'll take you to our Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions page. If you click on the words Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions, it'll take you to our Canature WaterGroup Privacy Policy. When you've completed reviewing the policy, simply press the arrow in the top left-hand corner to back out to the home page.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.